How
this is
about
so
that?
much fun, dude.
This is in it.
Holy shit.
I'm so glad that you're having fun because.
All right, will someone bring me a beer?
Well, sure. Grab him a beer. All right, Mr. Ricci.
Yeah.
What do you know?
I know a lot of shit, but I can't share it. So, but anyways, I really appreciate you guys listening, tuning in. Please drop a little donation, whatever that is, $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, up to whatever you want to do. It really helps out a homie. We're just blessed to be here with the BeeHive and be doing our thing and supporting in Danny and Tim. And you know, this fire and whatever that had happened, man, what a way to start the new year. But I do want to bring it into light that I think we can look up. Let's try our best to look up and try and be humble and appreciative of the things that we do have. And let's keep rocking and rolling and just be the best we can be. So without anything else to say right now, let's rock it out. This is an old tune called Maria. Bless up.
Find the world, finally entwined, life from above. Kiss for a hug, Maria commented, all in love. Life flew by, better catch up. Never really know when the waves get rough.
You never really know